Hi, I'm Stacy Seal, Finance Manager at Silko Honda. At Silko Honda, we understand bad things happen to good people, like repossession, bankruptcy, foreclosure, unemployment, medical expenses. Then all of a sudden you have bad credit. We got your back. We get it. You need a job to make money, but you also need a car to get to your job. We work with multiple lenders and we go to work to get you the best possible approval out there. We take the time to listen to your financial situation and we can get an approval within minutes for you. It's simple. $1 down, a pay stub showing you take home $350 a week, and a valid driver's license. That's it. That's a great question. Click on the link below, fill out the pre-approval form. Once we receive that form, our team will go to work to get you the best possible approval out there. We accept people with good credit, bad credit, no credit, bankruptcy, and even repossession. So you'll get the car that you need while making on-time payments, which in turn will help raise your credit score. It's a win-win. Go Silko.